Hi everyone, my name is Nisha Nair and I'm the author of this new book from Tara Books titled Art Sparks. I'm also the founder and executive director of a non-profit organization based in Bangalore, India of the same name, Art Sparks Foundation. This book chronicles the journey of a group of students as they participated in an art program that resulted in their creating these unique hybrid animal shadow puppets. And the book is wonderfully illustrated with the children's work, so there are many such examples of the puppets that the children created. Here are a few additional examples. So this book makes a case for art education by highlighting the capacity of the arts to foster imagination and creative thinking. The puppet making project that's featured in this book serves as an illustrative example of a process of art making that was followed with the children that, if consistently adopted, can help develop a number of valuable and important skills in the children. Skills such as problem solving, flexible thinking, investigation, perseverance, the capacity to envision out, and much more. All of these skills, creative, cognitive, social, and emotional skills, extremely important for children's growth and development. So through this example, the book is making a case for the importance of art in all children's education. And the book is also dismissing the idea that only a few can and should participate in art making. The art making process that's outlined in the book is rather flexible, and once again the book is wonderfully illustrated with a lot of examples of the process that the children followed from start to finish, and that process can be adapted to any art project beyond the puppet making project that's outlined in the book. So my hope with this book is to reveal to parents, teachers, education administrators, and more of the value of art in children's education. My hope is also to provide a concrete example that can help deepen understandings of how to implement an enriching art program that helps develop valuable skills in children. And my hope is also to widen the acceptance of art as a critically important part of children's education. So I do hope you will check this book out, and I hope it inspires you to take art forward to many more children. Thank you.